Okay, so let's discuss the first definition. A real valued stochastic process This is W dot, meaning whatever say argument dira, is called a Brownian motion or Wiener process. Wiener process if you have, well, first it must start at 0. Second is that Wt minus Ws is N0 T minus, meaning that it's normally distributed with the standard deviation T minus S. So diri pa lang makita nato that as T minus S gets larger, the kaning spread out sa sample space for the next one becomes larger. And if you fix that increment, meaning that fixing that increment means that it's equally, the distribution at this point will be exactly identical with, the distribution, okay, ako lang explain karon. And for all t greater than 0, the random variables, Wt1, this is actually Wt1 minus 0, no? W0 is 0. So this is the first increment, the second increment, and so on, are independent, meaning that the increments must not affect each other. Okay? So, let's ato ni siyang kuanon. This is 0. This is the W space, and this is T. Okay? For T1 and possibly T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, no, T8, T9, and so on. So, what are the increments? This one here is Wt1 minus ano. This kanisha is this part here, this length is Wt2 minus Wt1. And meaning that this increments, this one here, and then of course, from that, kanina po ang sunod nga increment. So, this is Wt1, we'll just go W1, W2, W3, and so on and so forth. They must be independent. Okay? And in each of this, meaning that we put something there. Okay? And this one here, the probability kung asa ka ang next, no? Because this is Wt4. 1, 2, 3. Wt4, okay? Ang next step niya should be, mamili ka ani nga space dire. Of course, kani atong tanaw, no? Dire. And of course, such that the mean is 0, meaning you are carrying the normal distribution at every WTI. You are carrying the normal distribution such that this normal distribution has a mean 0. Okay, a mean 0. And that meaning that would correspond kung asa ka. Okay? If you get negative 1, okay? So, ibig sabihin, this will be subtracted. The next step will be subtracted by negative 1. And such that this is normally distributed, equally likely asa kapadulong. No? Now, of course, let's say, ang imuhang next nga prediction, instead of this interval here, what if ang next nimo is dire? Well, still, you get the same normal distribution, pero ang standard deviation niya, assume nga katong dire is, this is the normal distribution, no? Is katong dire, no? Katong for the next step, kani siya. I'll use, asang color? Okay, naay mga camera dire ha. Naay mga detector dia. Ay mo kumpiyansa sa P6. Okay? So, the next one, what about diri nato gi-predict? Instead of this small time scale here, then what would happen to our distribution? It becomes N0 with standard deviation TS, meaning we would observe a wider, okay? A wider distribution. It could be, mas gamay siya dira. That one. Okay? Magkadako ang spread niya because daghan na kay possible nga pilian. Okay, for this step 1 here. Okay, and of course, if, okay, let's find another color. If naata dire sa, let's say, shorter lang, meaning somewhere here, ang atong next, no, this is T minus S. Okay, by the way, this is T minus, okay. This one is T minus S. Nakuha? Okay? So, pag diri lang, this will be our T minus S, right? So, that our distribution for this one is medyo mas taas-taas, pero mas nipis siya, no? Mas ana siya, pero mas taas siya gamay. Dire. Kaya remember that magka-baga ang, ang normal distribution, magka-ubos po ang peak. Okay? So, yeah. This is the picture of that exactly definition. And each of this must be independent. Okay? This step from this kaning dire to this step here is independent of any previous of the past. Okay? The next step is only, actually every step of the way you are drawing independent ang iyang if you take the distribution of each, no? Ay also di ay unsay meaning ani? If suppose that, let's understand this much further. If suppose that instead of na diri atong tinaata dire, and our green will be moved by a distance, let's say this is some distance x. So atong green, kaning green nato, let's say we predict the green, no? Will also move by a distance, similar distance here, so x. So ato ang green nga bago is nasa diri, no? Mao ni ato ang this is just x. So, the probability of this to this one, assuming that this is the same t minus s, this length here is the same as t minus s, just like dire, you will exactly get the same as this, dire, position dire, nakuha? Meaning that you will have this distribution, green distribution, ay, asa naman to, sorry. Dire man to atong step no, ata dire, right? It's just this being transformed dire. But exactly the same as that one here. So, kani og kana is identical. Only, of course, wala man nato gi ko, the mean of that is 0. Okay, we're taking the 0 here. So, meaning that kani og kana mag-coincide, no? If you just, identical na siya. So long as they are actually separated by the same amount of increment. So this kind of process, if you have this kind of process, that is called a Wiener process. Okay? So, lemma. I think the next lemma here would be, I'll delete this one now. And, morning notation sa ako actually, ang flow lang medyo natay kalahian. dx1 to dxn. Okay. Bernard, pwede ko mamalihog og chok dito lang sa department sa... Okay, let's, this is from minus infinity to positive infinity, no? Okay, here we have, let the, be a Wiener process. So, sa ibot pasabot ani, the expectation value of the function f of this omega 1, unsa ni siya? This is that it takes omega t1 and the next one is omega t2. The function of those, no, hantod omega fn is equally this f of x, whatever is that f of x times g. These are actually the distributions, conditional probability distributions. Ibig sabihin, we have given that kanisha, this is the probability that it is at x1 t1 given that it was at 0. This is the probability that it will be at x2 t2 given that it is x1, and x and t, and given that it is x, okay? The product of these density functions, okay? So, ang atong kuano nun is that, let's understand this theorem. Before we understand that, let's take this as our theorem 1, no? Before we, we might want to ask, what is the probability that, okay, what is the, we want to ask this. This is our Brownian motion, di ba? Okay. Now, for each given, let's say this is T1, we can have some interval that we want to predict, no? Like this one. For example, this would be A1, A1 to B1. So, kana siya, no? And maybe for T2, sometime T2 na siya dire, this will be our A1, A2, and this will be our B2, no? Kana siya. And for the next one, let's say for T3, this will be our A1 dire, and this is our A3, B3, and so on. We want to ask the probability of the path that it is at A1, B1, at T1. It is between. So you may want to ask the probability that the random walk W of T is between A1, B1 at T1, no? And that this certain trajectory, A2, W of T2, less than B2. Let's interpret this density. This is the probability of a certain that the Wiener process is between A1, B1 at time T1 and between here at time T2. Okay, what is this equal to? Kung tanaw nato, this is the probability that, okay, first, this is the probability, independent pa ng events, right? Each of the increments is independent. So from here to T1 is independent, and T1 to T2 would be independent. So that means that this is P of A1 omega T1, I keep saying omega, W T1 between this A1 B1, given that it was the initial point is, of course, this is 0, right? Okay, times the probability that, times, this is conditional probability that given it was a 0, and of course by this time you should be able to be so familiar with the rule of conditional probability, times the probability that, okay, it will be at A2 WT1 less the T2, no, given that it was in between no, it was in between dire, given I'll just use x1 T1, no, and x1 T1 is between dire. By the way, what is x here? What do you mean by x? Ang x is actually the lattice there is a y. Kaning y-axis na to mo ang x na to. That is our x. Mo na ibot pasabot niya. Okay. Okay, before we answer this, tanaw nato ang what is the probability that we jump to this point here, given that it was at, what is the probability that the next one is between A and B? Given whatever x. Mura na yung niya. No, given whatever x. So, I think we need to answer that one first. Ako sa ning i-reason ha, kay take note naman ninyo. The probability that it is na siya dire, given that it is any x dito. So, between A1 and B1, right? So, that would be equal to, the probability of that is equal to 1 over square root of 2 pi. What is sigma now? That is T2 minus T1. Okay? E to the unsa ni siya diri? Minus. Okay, this is x2 minus x1 over squared, right? 2 T2 minus T1. Sakto ba ni? And then this is integrate, okay, dx integrated from A2 to, okay, sakto that day. It should be x2 to b2. Okay, what is this? dx2, okay, sorry. So, why do we integrate dire? Unsa ni siya? Okay, I'd like to make this clear. Natay ani no, mao ni ang it is centered asa at x1, right? It is centered at x1, so naata diri. This is now our x1. Okay? I'll say P ani, P of that given x1. P of A2 less than equal to WT2. Kapuya ginaning muning nakakapoy sa math. T2 less than ay no, napay given di ay P of A2 WT2 given B2. Given dire, right? Given x1, tama? X1 at T1. Okay. Okay. So let's interpret this one. This is x1 and this is A2. Okay, B2 and this is A2 and B2. Okay? Di ba nagadala ta diri og kuan? And this one is, let this to be, this length here is T2 minus T1, right? Kani nga length diri. So, in between diri, here naatay normal distribution diri in which the standard deviation is T2 minus T1. Meaning, okay, meaning this length here to the first 1 sigma, no, if you take this as 1 sigma, this length is exactly that length. Diba? Ano mo sa normal distribution? Meaning that if this would comprise around pila ni ka percent sa distribution from negative sigma to 1 sigma to 1 sigma. Okay? But what I'm just saying is that this length here, kani siya nga length, this to that, if this is 1 sigma, this must also be 1 sigma. This is actually T2 minus T1, no? Okay, what is the probability that it will fall between given that it was centered at x1? Okay.
T2 minus T1 is variance or standard deviation?
Correction. Okay, when we use the book, use this notation: n mu sigma squared, meaning mean and variance. Okay, it's not ang ganiya gigamit ako sa definition is n zero. I use this. I thought that it was this mu sigma. Okay. So anyway, the correction lang mahitabo is that katong what I've said, the standard deviation becomes now variance. So the standard deviation is just square root of that. But the same analysis, the same ang ihang same ang sa analysis. So at least makita nato that this is the convention being used, no, when it uses the standard the normal distribution mu and Okay, so yeah, mao nang importante gid kabalo kita sa notation. Okay, but anyway, it's still the same siya, no? Square root of our sigma here, okay? This is square root, sulod sa square root. So, see, sa ato pa, your standard deviation is square root of T2 minus T1. Okay? So, mo to'y correction nga, So, but still, the same ang thought, This is, naman po. Still, the length of this one is not T2 minus T1. That would be square root of, this is T2 minus T1. So, sa ato pa, this one here, this sigma now, dire, is square root of T2 minus T1. Sabtan? That length there is square root of T2 minus T1. This is T2 minus T1. That is square root of T2 minus T1. That's 1 sigma. So that is now clear. Ano na ta sa notation? No? Take note of this. Atong N mu sigma squared. Mean and variance. Okay. So the probability that it will fall between A and B, A2 and B2 is just integrating this area dire, di ba? That one. Kani. This area here. Nasabtan niyo? Integrating that area. That is the probability nga mulay siya between diri. Sabtan ninyo? Okay, again, usbo na ako ha. This length here, this standard deviation here, is square root of this length here. So, anyway, now the probability that you're going to take now, suppose nga, it already has manifested in one value, one of this. Let's say, naabot siya dire. Instead of falling here, there's a chance nga dire siya mo ano, right? Even though you calculated, what happened is that naa siya dire, mauna po na may himong center, right? So the next probability now would be the probability that it will be in between A3 and B3 given that it was at X2. And the same form. Okay? Sabtan ninyo. Okay? So you will now, okay, if you extend this one to, if you extend this katong probability, you will know that what is f of omega? I mean f of WT1. Any for example, ano lang na siya. That could be let's say 2x squared plus x. So meaning this could be that 2 omega T1 squared omega T5 minus these are functions, right? Sabtan? And then omega T3 cube plus 4. What is f here? O say f na to. F now would become 2x1 squared x5. Okay? So, mo ni pasabot niya. Sabtan? And minus x3 cube plus 4 times katong the probability densities. Okay? So, mo rin na pasabot ato nga theorem. Next of this is, we have another theorem. Lemma 1. Okay. Suppose W dot is a Brownian, is a 1D Brownian motion, BM na lang. Okay? It's a one-dimensional Brownian motion. Then, W S equals S or T. Or actually, ang pinaka-ano is the minimum of S T, whichever is smaller. Okay? So, it's easy to prove this one. Actually, it follows directly from the definition. Why is this? E of T equals 0. Well, of course, kung tanawin mo, between 0 to W to T, that would be, sa definition mismo nga, itong normal, di ba? N, 0, T. Right? Yeah, variance, gid siya ba? Kay squared man ni dire. Okay, mo day nga variance, gid siya. It's not standard deviation. It's really variance. Okay, this is actually x squared. So, it talks about the variance. Okay? So, the standard deviation is square root of T. Okay? So, anyway, this follows directly. Kay gikan ka sa 0, diba, to WT, it is normally distributed with, from the definition. Ang proof, ani, is, well, buwako nimo, no? Actually, ano to siya, og WT minus WS plus WT, plus ni siya, no? Then minus, sakto, times WS. And then, ano na to ang distribution? That would be E of, okay, the proof of this one, no? Proof. Okay, this one follows directly from this one, this property. Okay, you have now W squared T, right? Plus W squared S minus, okay, so sorry, actually, W, and then separate ang E of W S minus WT times W of, no, this is S, right? S. Canis, okay. No, wait. Okay, this will be WS squared. Okay, this is just S. Ha? Asang plus?
Expectation sa W squared plus.
Okay, plus dahil no? Plus. Kay tungod diri, no? It is, giyana na to. So this is just S, right? This one from this property here. Plus, okay. The minimum of, no, sorry. This is 0. This is independent. WS and WT. Asa ni siya nga, Asa ni siya nga definition, Why is this definition? This is an increment from WS, from T to S, right? This is an increment from F0 to, so these are independent, no? So this expectation must be 0, and this expectation, the product of pag independent sila, is the expectation of the product is equal to the product of the expectation. So this is 0 and this is 0. So you have now S, whichever imong gigamit diri, which is the minimum. Okay? Balik taday dapat diri. This becomes T minus S, no? Kay gi-assume nato nga minimum ang S. Okay? Now, in the next one diri is, now we discuss the heuristics. Meaning that heuristics is that this is not a formal. Diba, we know that WT equals, we have dW over dt omega, this is T equals of T, right? And this is coming from the very first sa definition when actually the white noise was defined. The white noise is, this is the white noise, okay? This one here is the white noise. And what is the white noise? The white noise is the slight, think of that as the velocity of the Brownian motion. Okay? The first derivative with respect to time. Now, this actually does not exist. Okay? Because of the very extreme spike. Okay? But later, we will actually prove that although dWdt doesn't exist, but for almost omega, which is for almost omega, an element of our sigma algebra, then WT is actually almost continuous. Okay? Padulong to no, we will be constructing WT, the Brownian motion, from a set of bases. Okay. Ang heuristic is that WT, sa ganito gani, psi T is equal to Dirac mass T minus, sorry. The expectation value of T psi S equals the Dirac mass of T minus S. S minus T. The Dirac mass. The Dirac mass meaning at S equals T, the value of that is the Dirac delta naught. Okay? But kabalutaan ni, di ba, that is 0 everywhere. Pero the thing is that, okay, nga nung ani ni siya, well, it started with defining, okay, the book actually provide what we call a proof. We cannot prove this formally because it's not a formal theorem. So, unsay nagsugod siya, it defined phi, right? As the expectation value of, the expectation value of WT plus H, WT plus H minus WT over H, okay, the expectation value of this, times, okay, times WS plus H minus WS over H. Ws minus Wt S plus H plus Ws. Now, when you take the expectation value of this, okay, we can now separate the expectation value. Ano man god? Kasi may tabuan eh. This is, ato ni siyang kanon ha, that would give us, this is 1 over h squared. Times, di ba this is the minimum between t plus h. Now, if we are strict that if atong require t is greater than s. If t is greater than s, then unsa ni siya? That would be s, right? Di ba minimum man? Asa tong ganiha? Atong ano? Remember, E of omega t, omega s. What was this? This is the minimum of st, tama? So, if t is greater than s, which one kani siya, sa imo hatag sa ato, as h approaches 0. Di sa nato i-approach 0 ang s, ang h. That would be s plus h, tama? Kani dire? And how about this one? Of course, this would be t plus h, right? Minus t plus h, right? And kani, how about this one? Now, t is greater than h. Kani, wala takabaloon sa ikuan ani. Pero, okay, this is, sakto ba ni? Wt, yeah, Wt, the s plus h. Tama? Okay? So, here, minus t, s plus h. Plus, what is this? This is, no, S. T greater than S. Okay? Now, tanawan ni siya, as H approaches 0, wala ni siya dire. Your sigma, characteristic function, will approach sa 0. But the thing is that we know that the integral of phi is 1. Ngano na siya? Actually, mo form siya og katong ana, di ba? Tong ana, di ba? And then the center is t. So this is t plus h and t minus h. What's the height? 1 over h. That's the height, 1 over h. Okay? Now, as you approach t equals 0, h equals 0, kasi may tabo dire. Ang kani, di ba, this is 1 over h, tama? Okay, mauna niya itong taon. Okay? As t plus h approaches 0, sa may tabo dire. Musaka, tama? 1 over h, Okay, so what is this function? Kasi behavior ani. This is actually the Dirac delta. In which, but the point is, mao na siya nga naay-ana karon as s minus, this is actually s here or s there. Okay, tanaw nimo as s approaches t, so kani you will get that very sharp function which is actually the delta function. Delta x minus x prime, right? In fact, delta minus x prime is not a function, it is actually what we call a distribution. It's not So, yeah, we would now, since the delta, the Dirac mass is from the fact that katong gislagsugot ta ganiya sa Brownian motion, that at t equals 0, the value of that is delta naught, katong kuan. So we have this one here. So, yeah, that is the geometric kuan ani. Okay. So now, since we have this, we can now, by this virtue, we can actually have something like this. Wt equals now the integral from 0 to s ds. Okay? Sorry, 0 to t. Okay, we have that. So, we will now have the Brownian motion as the integral of the white noise. Pero ang kuan man gud nato, ang next nato is that we want to express. How about if we express the white noise? So, we now want to project E of t, project this one into L2 space, no, of 0, 1. The squarely integrable function, 0, 1. So, this is a function space, an infinite dimensional vector space in which the bases are orthonormal. For any phi n, an element of L2, we know that phi n, we know that the integral of phi n dx equals from 0 to 1. This is equal to Kronecker delta mn. This is the property of that space. Or this is an orthonormal space, function space, infinite dimensional orthonormal space. So that we want to have this psi of t, we want to write psi of t as a sum of some a k psi k of t. Okay? We want to write this as k equals 0 to infinity. This is what we're writing a white noise. This is that our white noise variable, no, is projected onto the L2 space 0 to 1 in which the bases are phi n's. And each of that, since this is not random, no, nakuha ang phi m not random. But AKs are random variables. AKs here are the random variables, not phi, not the basis phi. Nakuha? These are the bases of this Hilbert space nga L2, 1. Okay, so we want this. Okay, so, and of course, from this definition, we would know, sakto ni siya, no? AK, then is just equal to the integral of, psi t, psi k, t. Pareho ta diha. It's easy to prove. Okay? It's just, this is actually the dot product. Okay, again, akong ibalik ha. Think of this as like at analogy, natay f. Vector f, which is actually psi. And di ba, f in terms of ijk is fxi plus fyj plus fzk. So sa ato pa, we can think of this is the sum of fk xk hat, right? Where x1 hat is I, x2 hat is j. Now, di ba, okay, this is our vector f, and our vector f now is this, psi of t. Now, di ba, ang ato ang fk, how do we write fk? Di ba we can write fk as just f dot, no? fk dot x k, right? Now, this is an infinite, no, dimensional space. Okay, we know that this is actually the sum f k x k, right? Or no, f x k. F lang. This is infinite dimensional space. When we get into infinite dimensional space, that will become this. So sa ato pa, this is just the dot product. This is the dot product of, not the dot product, actually the inner product. We will talk now of the inner product here, no? So AK is this. Okay? Write it clearly, no? Definition 2. The family of functions hk dot k equals 1 to infinity, 0 of Haar functions, okay, are defined 1 are defined for 0t equal to 1 as follows. H naught of t equals 1. Okay. 2 to the n. Now, okay, let's understand these Haar functions and why is it needed. Actually, ang kuwan magudani is that we want to establish a basis here using the Haar function. But how are we going to use it as a basis? Now, there's actually a theorem. Lemma. Nagsulit ako lemma gani ha? Wala pa. Lemma 1 na lang ni siya, no? Lemma 1. Okay, the functions hk dot forms an orthonormal basis for L2. Now, how do you prove this? I will not be, ang proof ani is, I'll just give you an outline of proof to make you understand. All you have to do is integrate, diba? Integrate what? Integrate HK and HL. Okay? And prove that this is equal to KL. This proves orthonormality. Okay? And of course, to show that that is complete, meaning that, well, if this is basis, then it's a complete orthonormal forms a complete orthonormal basis for L2. Meaning that for every function in L2, okay, if you, if you have the sequence HK, completeness, this is completeness actually. Completeness is for every HK, T times any sequence like AK, this will converge to an element this will converge to a function which is an element of L2. This is completeness. And it's easy to see that because if this is a basis, and if you add one vector, one function of that, unsay mahitabo? If you make this summation and then add one f there, that will all converge that will all converge to 0, which is an element of L2. So meaning this sum must converge to f. This is just actually saying that we can express we can express every vector in L2. This is an infinite dimensional vector space in terms of this basis. So this is what we want. Not exactly what we want, but we want this something like, okay, wait lang. Okay, umana mo diha. Okay, butangan na og number 4. O, pa? Umana mo og number 2. Pa? Okay. Asa, balik ta dito. Sa itong ingon? Yeah, we can express every as this. Muna yan sa complete. Now, if you have a set of independent vectors and they span the space, the whole space. If you add one more function, if you add one more element of that space, then it must be that the sum of this, you can find some AK, such that the sum of these vectors will converge to that element. Okay, that's completeness. Diba? Completeness of space is that the limit of the Cauchy sequence must converge to an element in the set. This is actually a Cauchy sequence. Okay? So, and then ang next ani is definition na pod. Kapuya. Definition, we will have now definition 3. And I will explain to you why we need this definition 3 here. We would have now definition 3. Happy to actually. Okay, ako na tong pagkahuman ani. I think some couple theorem nga kuan. Definition 3. 4k equals 0, 1, 2, hantod ana. Sk equals T of hk, hk of s, ds are called, I think this is sk of t. Sk of t are called the Schauder function. Okay? Function. I'd like to, the next is lemma. This is lemma 2. SKT SKS equals T or S for all ST greater than 0. Okay? Now, the proof here is actually katuganing diri ang gibot. Yeah, you form this one, HK, and use this property, and you will see that kani siya. Okay? Mo na flow sa proof niya, no? Okay? Form, okay, yeah. Sa kaning kuan, natay ani nga S, di ba? So, meaning, you can form, okay, S, katong dire. And then, actually, nagsugod siya, characteristic function nga 1, right? And then, the integral, defined as 0 or 1, right? 0, okay, ang proof niya, magsugod ani, define 0 or 1, and then, how is that? You form the fact that phi equals, this is 1. Why is the, okay, phi, and form phi as this. You form phi from this, and from that, we can use this property, and automatic makita nato ni siya diri. That's actually the outline of the proof there. Okay? But, ang pinakaanoan is that, why did we define, okay, the Schauder function? Mo niya ang gusto na kumano. Okay, in order to understand that Schauder, actually, natay Haar system, no? We have the Haar functions. The Haar function would form the Haar system. By the way, we have, I want you to understand what we call some Hamel basis. For every vector space, any collection VI, any set, no? VI, this is, ug pila sila kabuok, such that the span of VI is the whole vector space itself, then we call this VI as a Hamel basis. Okay? We call this VI a Hamel basis. But now here, in fact, this set here, we can call, let's just call this B, no? The set B, which is BI, here I is an element of any indexing set. Okay? This is, if this whole set BI would span the whole base vector space, okay? They are linearly independent and spans the whole vector space, then this set is what we call a Hamel basis. Okay? Example of Hamel basis. Well, IJK is Hamel basis. Now, there's a problem here, is that whenever we go from finite to infinite dimensional space, remember that we are in infinite dimensional space. If we are in infinite dimensional space, the problem is that this Hamel basis doesn't, the I here, the indexing set can be coming from an uncountable set. The cardinality of I, of this indexing set here, might be uncountable. So if it is uncountable, there's no way actually that we can express this, any sequence, any Cauchy sequence as kaning ano dito, in terms of that. So here comes now what we call the definition of a Schauder base. Now, di na natin tayo detail diri, but in the concept of Banach spaces, no, this will appear in Banach spaces in functional analysis. If you have last meeting, I explained to you what is a Banach space. It is a vector space nga naay norm and okay, naay ano na siya okay, naay something to satisfy, right? O sa definition niya. Okay? So anyway, it for I think if we have a Banach space, especially when it becomes infinite dimensional, how do we find basis of this one? And we must express this Banach this space in turn. I mean, we must express the sequence ani nga mo converge siya no to some element. Convergence because unsay ginano, a Banach space is complete, right? Completeness must be it has a norm. Okay? So, how do you express it? You have to construct a set of bases and it must be countable. So, ang Schroeder basis now, isa sa requirements of Schroeder basis is that there's also this, it's almost similar to a Hamel base. Only that first is that it requires this in the indexing set to be coming from a countable space. Ani man gud ang ano, actually there's the concept of Hamel independence and Schroeder independence. We must express the sequence ani nga mo converge siya no to some element. Convergence because unsay ginano, a Banach space is complete, right? Completeness must be it has a norm. Okay? So how do you express it? You have to construct a set of bases and it must be countable. So ang Schroeder basis now, isa sa requirements of Schroeder basis is that there's also this, it's almost similar to a Hamel base. Only that first is that it requires this in the indexing set to be coming from a countable space. Ani man gud ang ano, actually there's the concept of Hamel independence and Schroeder independence. Unsa nang linearly independent vectors? Linearly independent vectors. A linearly independent vectors is, well, any two non-collinear vector will be linearly independent in R2. Tama? So, linearly independent vectors, linear independence is that you can form a sum. No? For every vector f, you can form a sum of whatever is this ak and sum xk, right? For linearly independent vectors hk. For finite, this is good. How about can we automatically extend this to infinite? Na murag, yeah, how about setting n equals infinity? Now, dili na siya basta-basta. Okay? Because ang problem nato karon is that, okay, our topology changes. Ang atong kwan dito mag-change. No, the notion of that what, for example, sa 3D, we have this concept of volume. Area, 2D, length, volume. Now, we know that this dimension is just a volume is just a multiplication of some dimension times dimension times dimension. As you increase that dimension times dimension, the problem now is as you go to infinity, that will create some problem. You need some convergence dito. You should know that when you multiply this, whatever is that, to form that volume in infinite dimensional space, that concept of volume there, okay, it must be convergent. That's why we require it to be convergent. Okay? That product. Mauna siya ang reason. Okay? So, it does not follow directly sa pag-abot nato sa infinite dimensional space. Sabtan? Okay? So, there, that's why, unsay gibuhat nato di, we construct, what are we aiming? Asa ta padulong? O, diri na ta, importante ni siya. Ang gidelete pa ni nako. Sige. Okay. Asa padulong? We actually want to construct a set of bases for our, unsa kaya itong gusto? Di ba? Asa siya mo di ba? We want this equals AK. In fact, manggod, di ba? Since, di ba, WT equals AK some psi T, right? Kani. And of course, we have this WT equals 0 to T of psi of T, psi of S, ds. Then we can also say that W of T, we construct T in terms of this, right? in terms of like this, okay, some 0 to t, ak, some basis psi n of t ds. Tama? Muna itong gusto actually. If you want to replace that one. But we are now looking for this, phi n. Right? So, ibig sabihin, phi n, whatever is phi n here must be an element of L2 space. And the Haar functions, those Haar functions from katong lemma dire, forms a complete orthonormal set for R2. We already know that. Okay? Now we have to construct a Schroeder basis out of those Haar functions. Mo tong ginabuhat nato. Nasabtan ninyo? That's why we introduce the Schroeder basis. Nasabtan ninyo nga naabot na siya dira. Okay? So mauna. And that's all what we need. Well, of course, naay lemma sunod ani. What's the lemma? This is actually convergence. Okay, because by the way, balik ta dire no. For lemma, the next lemma is that actually we want to assure, remember balik ta dire. And this is, we want actually to construct the Brownian motion from the Schroeder basis formed by the Haar functions. Now, a Schroeder basis from the Haar functions. So we would like to get something like AK, SK, right? A summation of this. Okay? WT is as this vector. So we are converting WT as a vector in an infinite dimensional space. Again, nasabtan? In R, we know that WT is a one-dimensional variable, one-dimensional real-valued function. But we are actually, pwede man ta magbuhat, actually, tinudang, no? You can express a real number as an infinite dimensional sum of rationals. And from that, you are actually projecting any real number to an infinite dimensional space. Pwede na sa may tabo in analysis. But, of course, di na tama po. Gitreat na to ang okay. Ganong infinite dimensional space. Well, gi-project nato sa L2 space. Ngano man unsa ang naa sa L2 space? Ang L2 space manggod kay orthonormal space. Mas dayon magbuhat og gano di ba pag orthonormal ta? And we can actually we can what if paano na ako what if pwede na siya mahimong research mismo construct Brownian motion from other Hilbert space. Pwede gyapon actually. Para yun ang gyapon na mahitabo. Unsay buhaton ninyo? Well, you need to construct Schroeder basis. Mao na yung same nga pero lahi ang mugawas nga mga functions. Not only 0 to 1, pero 0 to n gani. I mean katong dire di ba 0 to 1 ang atong L2, 0 to 1, it can be 0 to any whatever we want. So auto integration pwede na siya mahitabo. Okay? Pero magagamit man tagatong dito for na may 0 to 1 diretso, right? That's convenience, but we can construct W out of any Hilbert space. How about Banach spaces? No, we need an inner product space here. So not just any Banach space, but we must need any Hilbert space. Orthonormal, much better kung orthonormal Hilbert space. And why not just R? Kung ana may tabo. Why not just R? Well, we can do that. We can project omega t as in R because R is a Hilbert space. R3 is a Hilbert space. Pero, I don't know, how would we give meaning to omega x, omega y, omega z? I don't know how to give meaning of that. Okay? So, yeah. Mo na siya, it's actually, kung sa mo pumunta na gani, nganong 0 to 1, ang anong infinite and the basis siya pwede man ta magano for any finite dimensional vector space, pero ang kuan magudana is that what we are wanting here is that we want convergence whatever is this. It's like I can express, for example, pick a number between 0 to 1, let's say 1/2. I can actually express 1/2 as a sum of infinite numbers, di ba? That would converge to 1/2, tama? O mo na itong ginabuhat. Now, pwede ba finite? Pwede gyapon. Pero ang ana manggod is that, how do we give interpretations to each of those? Like omega, like over R3. So muna itong ginabuhat. Okay? Let AK 0 to infinity, 0 no? Be a sequence of real numbers. Actually, mo yung ginasulti bago lang. Be a sequence of real numbers such that AK is less than equal to CK delta for K equals 0, 1, 2, and so on, no? Okay? Then, for some constant C, for some constant C, and ang delta nato is 0 to 1/2. Then, the series, okay, by the way, this is less than or equal to 1/2. Then, the series AK, SK, of T converges. Okay, so converges for 0 T less than or equal to 1. Okay, this assures us convergence of that if we form this, di ba man itong target? So, okay, ano na lang, problem, di man problem set. Yeah, problem set. I want you to understand this the proof here provided. Kani. Lemma, kani nga lemma. Okay, I want you to understand the provided proof. Okay? You can now do that. It's not that easy, pero you can follow the argument. Nakita niyo mo, nag-define siya maximum sa a certain, gigamit niya ang, sa Haar functions, right? Ang katong domain. The range of the Haar functions. Dito siya nagkuhan. And then, okay, gi-establish ang convergence. And then, we now have lemma 4. Lemma 4. Suppose AK K equals 0 to infinity are independent and independent en 0, 1. So normally, standardly normal, with mean 0 and variance 1. Random variables, then for almost every omega. Now, what is omega here? Omega is actually mo na itong function taken from the set omega sa katong giporma na itong sigma algebra, right? Okay? Omega here, we have this AK omega. Okay, AK omega is O of log K as K approaches infinity. Here you relate this one. This is, okay, ang proof diri makes use of the Borel-Cantelli lemma. Sa proof ani, okay, I want you to sa proof, no? It uses the Borel-Cantelli lemma. Unsa ning Borel-Cantelli lemma? If you have a sequence of events, no, E1, E2, hantod En. Well, as n approaches infinity, this is the Borel-Cantelli lemma. The probability, what is the probability now? By the way, also, it becomes rarer and rarer, meaning that the probability of E2 is less than the probability of E1 occurring. Nakuha? And so on, right? So, from here, we have P of E1 is greater than P of E2, and so on. So, we want to ask, what is the probability that what is the probability now that En will occur? As that, the probability that En will occur infinitely infinitely often. Infinitely often. Infinitely, that En will occur infinitely often. Ibig sabihin, En now here, remember that is a very small ano. We are asking actually, if we have a very, very small probability, what is the probability that it will be occurring infinitely often? And actually the answer is, the Borel-Cantelli lemma tells us that P of that En will occur infinitely open as almost often, almost infinitely, I think, Ana, is 0. That's the Borel-Cantelli lemma. Now, this one, the proof here would give us that for whatever, atong kung ano diri, it will be always less than, what is O? That is order. The order function. Unsa may order function? Sige daw, sa mga compute diya. O, kamo compute. Unsa may order function? Natay O, actually, it's some exponent like of order 2, meaning of the power 2. So we are sure that this is less than or equal some order of log k function. This ak omega. And from that, actually, ang say gina-establish nato dire, study the proof and you will understand that we are now guaranteed that this will converge. Ngano ganing kinahanglan nato ni siya i-converge? Because we want to converge this to what? To a Brownian motion. And that's why atong ginakuha, no? We required the Brownian motion. Usa gani gibuhat nato dire, ang Brownian motion ato na siyang gi-project into L2. We are actually, this is now an element here of L2. So we want this set, this series, made by the sequence AK, and SK, SK, the Schauder basis we constructed from the Haar functions. We have a Haar system here. Ngano ni siya? Why did we need the Haar, the Haar functions? The graph of the Haar functions is, by the way, katong for 2 na siya ana, no? And then, for some, mugamay na pud ni siya, no, this interval there, dira na pud na siya mo ana, pwede ana, no? Depende, dire ana. And so on and so forth. Mura siya wavelets. Remember, it's like doing wavelet analysis, sa Fourier analysis. Okay? So, these are orthonormal functions. So, and then we, the Schauder basis, we form a Schauder basis through the Haar functions. We must form it in terms of Schauder, in the light of Schauder basis, because we are guaranteed that this is countable. Wala na siya gipangsulti, wala na siya giyaw-yaw dira, but I'm just saying to you that usa to Hamel basis and nasabtan ninyo ang ginasulti? Nga ma-follow ninyo? Oh, bahala na tong uban dira, basta tong uban nga nakasabot, no? Katong uban sakay na lang mo sa ilaha. Okay? O, kamo duha, dapat kamo yung makasabot yun daan O, ikaw pod. Okay? So, unsa na yung nahitabo karon? Once you know the proof, ibilin ako, ilib na ako na assignment. So, guaranteed na nga mo converge ni siya. Convergent. And asa ni siya nato, we force that this must converge to a WT. Here, since naatay series convergence to WT, we can now actually address the concept of, actually, more than yung sunod, no? This is actually, the last two theorems will, mo niya itong, makakaunogid mo. Kamo, capital nga theorem niya because this is a major result nga atong everything that leads to here. So let AK k equals 0 to infinity be a sequence of independent n0 1 random variables defined on the same probability space. Then the sum WT omega, which is equal to AK of omega SK of T, right? K would run from 0 to infinity. Converges uniformly in T. Furthermore, WT is W dot is a Brownian, and 2 is for AE almost every omega. Okay? The sample path T to WT is continuous. Now let's understand this theorem here. Okay, what we have constructed now, di ba? Na-prove na natong convergence, right? Okay, this is already the result of that it converges to this, that mo converge ni siya. And of course, we still yet have to prove that WT is a Brownian motion. So how are you going to prove the Brownian motion? Well, of course, based on sa three property, prove that first, W of 0 is 0. So okay ra na. SK of 0, for di ba? It will be 0. Based on the definition, it's normally distributed. Well, from the definition mismo diri nga we have AK as normally distributed. Now, when you take this one, you can actually establish property 1 and 2, including increment. I-check lang niyo itong property sa Brownian motion, right? Nakuha? So, you can, also ikuan this theorem is important. Okay, let's call this theorem, theorem BW na lang, no? Theorem BW. Because this is the construction. In this theorem, we have constructed Brownian motion. From what? We have constructed the Brownian motion as a sequence, a series in L2 space. Ibig sabihin, we measured WT in L2 space, in which ang basis niya are the Haar functions, Schroeder functions, which is asa sa gikan gi-construct nato from the Haar functions. Okay? And of course, to prove this one, you have to check every property of the katong definition is satisfied. You go into that one, and for almost every omega, okay, omega now is from our sample space. The sample path is continuous. Asa ni siya? Katong kuan ni siya, katuganing na theorem, ganong continuous ni siya. Well, you can verify that one is because of the sa convergence. Okay? Now, the last important theorem also, theorem EBW, the existence of let's call that theorem BW and EBW, the existence of a Brownian motion. Okay, naunsa naman mo diha? Nagforum naman mo. Okay. This theorem actually I'd like to state that we have a probability space. Sigma with a sigma, omega sample space with a sigma algebra U and a probability measure P. Okay, this is a probability space. Okay, in general that is called the measure space, but since P is equal to 0, is just between 0 to 1, so we call this probability space. Let be any a probability space, so let's not on which there exists countably many. We have to note that this set is countable sets. By the way, mao gay ito, di ba? Balik ta diri nganong giano ta din shoulder because we need this SK. The S here must be countable. Okay? This must be countable. This must be coming from ano. That's why we don't have to use any just basis. We have to develop it from a shoulder basis. Mo na purpose ato. Okay? Exist countably many N01 random independent random variable A K, right? A K, this is K equals 0 to ana. Then there exists a one-dimensional Brownian motion defined for omega, an element of omega nga dako t greater than equal to 0. Okay, this is also an important theorem. And that's why mo ningingon ako sa inyo, I'd like to see this sa inyong darating sa inyong thesis. Because in fact, this guarantees us that for every sigma algebra, okay? For every sigma algebra, we can construct a Brownian motion. Whatever is the sigma algebra, it is possible for us to construct a Brownian motion out of that. Okay? It's possible for that to construct a Brownian motion. So whatever is that sigma algebra, no? So, unsaon na siya karon? Like for example, the basic nga gikuha na to Brownian motion is katong the head and tail, in which our omega is h, right? Depende sa possible nga ano niya, no? So, you have a random variable x, which is either head or tail, and maps that to a what? Maps that to a Borel sigma algebra. Nganong kinahanglan tog Borel sigma algebra? Okay? Nakatayo ano dire, di ba? Nakatayo sigma algebra and we map. Okay, there's a random variable. A random variable is mapped to, di ba? Natay mapping na, no? From this actually, this U sigma algebra P to we have another space R with a endowed by a Borel sigma algebra and probability P. We have here X random variable taken from this one padulong didto, and such that X inverse of B is equal to, or it should be an element of U for B a subset of the Borel sigma algebra. Or actually we can just immediately say that this is an A is an element of a sigma algebra there. Meaning, this is the pre-image. If you have the Borel, Borel set, the set of open sets diri sa kanino, we have this construction. And since we have this construction actually, then out of this whatever construction we can actually make a Brownian motion out of that. Okay? A Brownian motion out of that. So nasabtan kung sa importance ani. That's why katong system nga ginaano nato, whatever system, that's why we can just say that we can use Brownian motion diri because of this guarantees us. Kay pag wala ni nga theorem man, how can we be sure that given this sample space, given this we don't have nasabtan ninyo? We can construct a Brownian motion there. Dagan patag possible process, right? We are in the Wiener process. Actually, mo ni building blocks nato. Other processes can be nasabtan? Okay? Okay, gigutom na ko.